Oh my god. You're bigger than I thought you'd be.
Yeah. Broken solar panel isn't really that great at drawing us to scale. Anyways, let's start the story. The Thunderbolt.
What's up?
Shall we hang out?
Sure.
Who are you? I'm 3t22. I'm 1003 and I like Thunderbolt. I like 2t22.
So what now?
I don't know.
Hi, handsome. Come to me, beautiful.
Wait. Where's Yakety Sax?
Sorry. We're having some technical difficulties with the cassette player.
Oh, come on.
I know. You want to get to chasing each other. Come on. Get in there, you. Oh wait. I'm putting the tape in upside down. Stupid me. There we go. Okay. Now you can proceed with chasing each other in 3, 2, 1.
2t22, are you okay?
Yes, I am. Brothers, we have a new bro. His name is 2001-130. Hi. Hey. We need your help. With what? We need 1003 and 3t22 to leave Thunderbolt and 2t22 alone. I have a plan.